Good morning everyone, my name is Dr. Rifana. I am coming from Tamilnadu. So I belong to C109 batch. Okay. So my topic for today is setting up and building an IVF lab. So I need to tell you a few points. So the first one is regarding the cost. So this is the most important one. So once you have decided, because the setting up an IVF lab requires a proper planning. So you have to look into the cost. So because we won't be talking in thousands, it will be definitely in lakhs and crores. So you need to talk to your account section manager, your auditor, and particularly the family that you have to tell whatever you have planned. So one thing is accounts, one thing is your manager, your auditor, and most important, your family. So once you have decided about the cost, then the next important one is, and also see whether you are going to buy your own building or rent a building, because buying an own building in cities, it's definitely going to cost you some few crores, obviously some 6 or 8 crores. If you already have a building, then it's well and good. If you are going to rent it, also look into the expenses. So how much you are going to rent it, how many floors you are going to rent it, so how much you will be paying it, how you will be backing up for the next few years, because initially we won't get money whatever we think, and everything whatever we have planned, it won't work out as we had thought. So we have to have a backup plan. So talk to your auditors, family, manager, account section, how we are going to manage the expenses. So once it's done, next go for the location. This is the very, very crucial step. You have to take it, because this is where the heart of the thing lies. So I would suggest you just take a car and go around and see how the location is, like whether it is in a safer place, whether it is approved for establishing the medical thing, whether it is going as per the rules and regulations of that city. And also see to it that the air quality is at least in a minimum polluted way, that is a better air quality. And also try to avoid lot of noise, vibrations, construction sites, garbage dumps. Lot of things has to be looked into while choosing the location. So once you have chosen the location, see for the safety measures and the permission. Permission, as I said, you have to look into whether that area is allowed to construct a medical facility. And safety, look whether if it is a rented building, look whether you have provision for fire safety, fire license, what else, ramp, lift, everything has to be looked into. And also if you are going for a rented one, talk to the building owner whether he has fully completed completion certificate, stability certificate, and a lot of things has to be taken into this while looking into the safety and permission. So next comes the infrastructure, as madam has nicely pointed out. There are a lot of compartments, almost more than 15, 16, starting from the OPD, pharmacy, USG machines, what else, injection room, counseling, toilets. This and all comes under one category. And other than that, you have to give room for semen analysis, andrology, IUI, andrology, IVF, OT, lab, recovery room, embryologist room, cryo storage room, cryo cans. So I think there will be some more than 15, 16 partitions. You have to plan it according to it. Most important, while you do the infrastructure, talk to your engineer or architect and choose an architect who has experience in constructing the lab. Go and see their labs, whatever they have constructed. So that would be my advice to you, because I am going through this and I am doing all these things. So next would be the infrastructure, and next would be look for the future expansion. So we will be starting initially. Maybe if we are growing big, we also need to have provision for the future expansion. So hope this helps. Thank you so much.